Hello everyone, this is our next video of Fortinet NSE 4 series, and this is the continuation video of FortiGate HA which we are starting from last three videos. So today video we will understand the few output commands that is related to the FortiGate HA. Also we will perform a failover from primary FortiGate to the secondary FortiGate, and we'll see the behavior on both cases. So let's begin with the video. So just I'm trying to access this host, and I will show you that we have that reachability of this external router via FortiGate, and I can go to my policy and I can show the policy is there. I can show the policy is there on my FortiGate. Let's quickly open it. So it's opening. So we can see that log is, yeah, we can see the bytes is being generated and this policy is used. And this is related to the for. Let me quickly clear the counter and I will generate that thing again to show that it is working. So you can see that this is traffic, it's not generated. So this is proof that this is working fine, our HA connectivity. Now let me quickly try to show you some outputs on that the first command which I will show, that get system HA status. The reason why I'm showing you when we are working on the real scenarios, so we have seen the multiple issues related to the high availability. So in order to resolve those issues, we can try to gather this output information from FortiGates to perform a troubleshooting. So the first command will be the get system HA status. So in this output, what information is there? This is the configuration state, means that both FortiGate is in sync and synchronized. We also see the update time 3 seconds ago, and port 2 is responsible for those updates. And this is the modem stats. It is using port 3 and port 4, and others are sessions. And we already show you that this is the weak cluster IP, which is this will be assigned to the heartbeat interface, and it is automatically selected when we start the firewall HE clustering. And this is the primary FortiGate host name, and this is the secondary FortiGate host name. This is the secondary FortiGate host name and the respective things. And the second commands which I want to show you, that get system HE. So in this output we will get the things related to the configuration perspective, like group ID is 0, group name is ABC, AP means that active passive, and passwords, and this is the port 2 heartbeat, and the other related information is there if we enter this command get system HA. So we can see the other command will be the diagnose system HA status. Diagnose system HA status. So in this output we can see the statistics of the HA on the firewall cluster. So other, like this both FortiGates are in the active primary states, their serial numbers and other related informations are available in this command. So now that this is the few outputs which I wanted to show you, and the next action would be I will try to do a continuous ping to my external source, and will try to form a failover. So the agenda of this to see that if we perform a failover on the live scenarios, how many packet is being dropped for that session needs to be transferred. So I just increase the size. Now I have started 1000 packets that ping, and now I will try to perform a failover lab. So onto the secondary firewall. So I will say set. If I say set, there is a value, it will be 1 integer, and this case they are saying that do you continue. The intent is for testing purpose, and this command will trigger the HA failover. This message is coming, so yeah, we want to initiate it, and I press Y, and now failover is started. Now in this time I will get a secondary FortiGate access. How we can verify that we are on the secondary FortiGate? The first thing, using the host name. So this is the primary thing to verify that we are on the secondary FortiGate. And let's quickly show that ping command. So how many packets are there? So we can see during the failover, I would say the 1 packet is being dropped. Other than that, there is no impact of traffic. So this proves that if we will receive the HA failovers on our live scenario, so there will be a no traffic impact. So it is clearly visible on 1 packet drop is fine. So there are other things which we can see. If I go to the events, then here is the HA events. So in the HA events, we can see the all activity related to that HA. So the HA activity report. Also, this is the V cluster moved, serial number, state moved. So all the events related to the HA, it is available. And if I go to my HA settings, so we can see this role primary, and this is the host name, and EVNG becomes secondary. But the note point is if you notice this, the priority of this EVNG is still high, and this priority of still 128 because we manually perform a failover. That's the reason this FortiGate is showing as a active firewall in the HA cluster. So also, if we enter get system HA status, so that information will also show the primary because failover to flag on set, and the required information is available 0 seconds ago. Both are in sync in 0 seconds and update the 3 seconds. So this is also related to the FortiGate. So let me refresh it. Yeah, now this is fine, and our traffic was also fine. So yeah, that's it for this video, and this is the last video of FortiGate HS series, and next video we will start some new topics, and for that keep watching the Firewall Experts. Thanks for watching.